Paul, you doing all right with those running boards?
They're hitting here and there, but okay.
You won't have running boards next time? Doing all right though?
I think so.
Well, if you get anything that you don't like, let me know. I do have traction boards which can be used for bridging and stuff too. Are they hitting or just tapping?
I couldn't understand you.
I said, are they hitting or just tapping?
On that one, I think it hit pretty good, but
It's gonna be all right.
it's not on the ground behind me.
All right. I just don't want you to get into something that you don't particularly want to be in. Another drop off here.
I'm losing everything. I got low battery.
Oh, all right.